making the base granny squares from part 1, we will now make 3D mini flowers to add on to these squares. To start out, chain 3 and join with the first chain to form a ring. Chain 2 and work 9 single crochets into the ring to have a total of 10 single crochets. Slip stitch into the first chain 2 to join and fasten off. Now join a new color with a slip stitch. Chain 2 and work 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the same space. Slip stitch into the next space. Work 2 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the next space. This is the petal, and slip stitch in the next space. Repeat this until there are 5 total petals. Join the last petal with the chain 2 in the first petal, then fasten off. After making all 27 flowers, now we can sew on the flowers to our granny squares. Feel free to get creative with the arrangement. I arranged mine so that it resembles the actual top. Everyone has their own way of sewing. I like to tie these on the back and weave in the ends. And here we are, it's all finished. Everything is weaved in. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and move on to part 3. Thank you!